Good morning all. Today we are going to see Hanning window. FAR design by windowing, which we have already started, and in the previous lecture we have talked about the basic concept of windowing, that is the given specification, the given desired frequency response specification is expanded in Fourier series, which is nothing but the Fourier transform of the desired impulse response. Hd of e power j omega equal to summation of n equal to 0 to infinity Hd of n e power minus j omega n. So we need to find Hd of n, which is infinite in length. You have to truncate this from some point n equal to 0 to m minus 1, right, so that the length is capital M. The capital M is first estimated by the empirical formula, understand, right, but there are some problem if we truncate abruptly at m minus 1. You are not going below n equal to 0, right? Why? Because then it becomes a non-causal or unrealizable. Therefore you start at n equal to 0, and if you truncate abruptly at m minus 1, we say that this is application of a rectangular window, and any abrupt truncation actually leads to Gibbs phenomenon, and the attempt is to reduce the Gibbs phenomenon. And not only that, you need to reduce the overshoot and undershoot in the frequency response by tapering the window in a smoother manner. It's clear? So this truncation is achieved by multiplying Hd of n by window function W of n, right? And we have talked about the number of windows, the modified rectangular window. Now we are going to see the Hanning window. First let me discuss about the procedure of Hanning window. Select a suitable window function, then you need to specify an ideal response of Hd of omega. Compute the coefficient of the ideal filter Hd of n. Then the fourth point is multiply the ideal coefficients by the window function to give the filter coefficients. Then you need to evaluate the frequency response of the resulting filter, and you need to iterate if necessary. Okay, right. And next, the Hanning window is defined as, this is also defined as a raised cosine window, and the function is given as Wn equal to half of 1 minus cos 2 pi n by m minus 1, right. So now the width of the main lobe is 8 pi by f. It's clear, right. Next, the Hanning window is a smooth window whose first and last values are 0. Now you can watch here, the first and last values are 0. So it features fast decay of the side lobes. Now you can see in this picture, right, there is a fast decay of the side lobes. This is the major advantage of Hanning window. Now we will see a problem based on Hanning window.